Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Attachment, I'm going to highlight this and then I'm going to pull it like this, then say fill it with, okay. The series should appear actually. Let me try again. Okay, somehow it is not copying. Let me write it manually. C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. Okay. Is this clear, everybody? The different file types, okay? You can mention if you want, Vidya. Alright? Do you see? Is it clear, everybody? How to write the requirements? Yes? Yes or no? Tell me. If you have any questions, please ask. Okay. Do you see? We have written all the requirements over here. Okay. Anu, this document we are going to prepare after the test plan. Okay. In the design phase, we are going to prepare before we start with the testing process. Okay. You can include Preeti. Validation field also you can include. Okay. Is this clear, everybody? If I want, I can, basically highlight this also. This is a login and then this is a compose, different requirements, right? And do you see for each requirement, I'm having a different ID. Clear, everybody? Did you prepare in the same way for the compose? No, Preeti. You can mention like this A1, A, B, C, D, E, F. If you want to mention it as A1, A2, A3, it's your wish. Anyways, it is a single requirement, right? Why to complicate it? Yes or no? This is the first step of your test design. Okay. You can write it here itself. Okay. Be entered. Then click on send button to send the email. You can write it here itself. Okay. I got Preeti. The validation field, if you are asking for the to field, you can mention it here itself. There is a validation field. You can mention it within the to. Okay. Okay. Any more doubts? Anybody? If you want to suggest some more improvements, yes, you can do it, please. Yes, any more suggestions? They are really welcome. You can suggest me. I will, like add it over here. That is a, advantage of basically working in a group. One person forgets and another person writes it. That is why, we are going to review these documents. Let's say one tester prepares it, then we will get it reviewed either by a senior QA or let's say by a peer review. Means I write a document, you review it, you write a document, I review it. So that if something is missing, okay, from a different perspective, we can add it over here. Okay. I have mentioned here send button. Do you see? Send button is mentioned here. Okay. Okay, Odanya, you are not good at the Excel sheet. See, Excel sheet is what? It is a table wherein you start filling out the things. And see, Odanya, these are the things that you got to concentrate, okay? You have the bold over here. This is a color, okay? You can give a background color over here. You can choose your colors. Don't choose very flashy colors like, orange color over here. Do you see it doesn't look nice at all? Choose very light and sober colors. The gray would go good, otherwise go for a blue. Okay, blue is basically a corporate color. That also navy blue. Okay, not a sky blue. Go for a navy blue. Go for the lighter shades, which can make look your document really professional. And Udanya, here you have the font color. This is what you will be using, nothing more than this. Wrap text, you can have the entire text in the same thing. You have the merge, this much controls you will be using, and then resizing of your columns and the rows. This is it. Okay. Okay, who is this? I think, yeah, Suman. See, Suman, while creating the requirement traceability matrix, the list of requirement you can directly copy it from the BRD or FRD, FST, whatever it is. But when you create a test cases, as a tester, you should create on your own. Okay. You can include it with you. All right. Yes, Jyoti, you can mention it. See, basically email IDs means what? They will have, the different alphanumeric characters. That also you can mention over here. Okay. I can say alphanumeric. I mean, what are the characters that are accepted by the tool, that is email? We can mention it here. Alphanumeric with some special characters. What are the special characters that are accepted? We can accept at the rate. We can accept hyphen. We can accept period, right? Okay, so you can mention these things also. Underscore is also accepted in the email IDs, right? You can mention these things as well. Okay. Okay, Vidya, for the pop-up window, you want it for the two? Where exactly you want the pop-up window? Tell me, Vidya. You want it for the two? You can mention here. Okay. Here itself you mention. When the email IDs are typed, the pop-up with suggestions appear. You can write it here itself. Okay, Vidya? Is it clear? Okay. Any more doubts? If I give some more requirement like this, can you do it? Okay. See, Jaya, first of all, you should start with the requirement. I have a doubt there is a case that test design is not yet ready by the BA or a team lead. Now we want to, write the test case. We need to do testing on the application. Then how can we proceed? I don't get your question exactly, Jaya. See, first of all, you are going to refer to the requirement and then only prepare this RTM. Referring to the RTM, then only prepare the test case. Directly preparing the test case is not possible. Okay. You should wait for your BA to complete his requirement document. Sure, of course, I'll give you some more assignments. Okay. So is this clear, everybody? Okay. I'll give you some more assignments now. Can you do that? Shall we take up a different project? Okay. So do you see this is a Verizon wireless? Okay, can you see here? We have a Verizon wireless over here. No, you should always write the negative conditions also, Madhuri. Right, Meera. That's what you got to practice. Okay. So this is a Verizon wireless requirement. Can you see? We have a Verizon wireless. This is a telecom project. Okay. And here I have considered a functionality called as a store locator. I will explain you this functionality. For this, you can prepare the RTM. Then the store locator functionality appears where on the top of the homepage of this verizonwireless.com. Okay. The store locator locates the various Verizon wireless stores across the US based on the city and states that we choose. There are two options. Okay. See here, your BA has mentioned so clearly FR001A is wherein you enter the valid zip code. Okay. B is you are going to click on the find stores over here. Okay. And then I think C also should have been there, wherein we are going to enter the state. We are going to choose a state. Okay. Okay, we are going to choose a state over here and then we prepare this requirement. Either enter a zip code or enter the choose a state or simply click on select a state. Three options are available. If you enter a zip code, you got to click on find store. If you choose a state, you are going to again click on the find store. And then when you click on it, you will get this kind of output or a result or a page, I can say, which will contain the results in a following format. We have the address, work hours, featured services, workshop, and a link. These columns, do you see? Address, hours, featured services, and workshop. There are other miles and all are there. Currently I have ignored it so that I can keep it simple for you for the practice. Okay. Can you create this one? Yes, go ahead everybody. Start creating this one. Okay, I'll keep this one aside. And then on other side, I keep this document for you. You should start preparing right from the beginning. Take a new Excel sheet or you can create another sheet over here and then prepare it here only if you want. Okay. So what is the first thing that you got to do? You have to put a title like this, that it is a requirement traceability matrix, and then write the Gmail application over here. Write the name of the project description you can give. What is this Verizon Wireless? It is basically a telecom based project, a service provider for the telecom. I hope everybody knows this, right? Verizon Wireless. And then we have a URL over here. What is a URL? www.verizonwireless.com. Write the requirement for the store locator. Just one simple requirement. Okay. Can you do it right away? Try to do it. Okay. I'll wait for you. Okay, if you want to understand more about this, you can visit this site. Okay, this is a real application. I have not, created with my imagination.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website H2KInfosys.com. On our website H2KInfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.